And welcome back to Island Life Live. An original docuseries now streaming on Peacock follows 8 young Hawaiians as they navigate adulthood, chase their dreams, and celebrate their vibrant culture.
The show is called Oahu Shores, and joining us now are 2 of the show's cast members. We have Marcus He and Kaui Goodness. Thank you, family, for joining us.
Thank you guys for having us. It's an honor to be here.
Yeah, right on. Congratulations, first of all, on the show. We're kind of curious. So I know the show dropped in October, right?
Yes.
In its entirety on Peacock.
Yes.
But we want to know, did you folks know each other before the show, or was this like a casting call and just threw a whole bunch of strangers together? How did this all come about?
I'll take it.
Yeah, you can go first.
So actually, we're all friends starting like way back when. Like me and Kama went back to high school. Me and Keolu were best friends since 8th grade. Sky and Rachel, Raven, high school, college, like a mix of that. And then Marcus decided to join us. He's also much younger than us too.
Yeah.
So but he was always friends with Keolu. We knew each other back in high school. And you know, it's Hawaii. So at the end of the day, we all knew.
All kinds of connection.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And so, and how has it been being part of the crew? The newest member of the crew.
It was definitely something new, since I'm like the youngest one, and like, you know, everyone's a little bit older than me. Everyone has a different, you know, mindset and like how they see life and everything. I'm just, you know, young cat just trying to make his way. I'm just trying to make his way, and just always, you know, just trying to figure out life and everything. But everyone's been honestly some of the best people I've ever met in my life. It's crazy how life works and how we all got brought together, and ever since then I can't imagine doing life without them.
That's so awesome. Now let's talk about life, because obviously life has changed. How is it having like camera crews follow you? Because I mean, we get our instant, you know, we get the phone, we can do our own videos, but to have a crew following everything you guys do in your lives, how was that?
It was honestly, again, that's another first for all of us, and it's a real big shock at the same time, because now we're just like, everything I do, everything I say, it's getting monitored. I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope I don't say something stupid, or like I'm eating food, it goes over my face, you know. So but as you start to do it a lot more often, just like anything in life,
you kind of forget it.
And then it's literally just in the background. I'm just like, who are these people just filming at this point? But it starts to become a lot more natural, and you know, you just start to get used to it. But you also get really close to like the entire crew.
We became like family with them as well. Like they really took such great care of us. We had really the best time. I think that when you have people like that take care of you and actually care about what they're doing, and especially respect the culture and all of that, it makes it much more easier to get used to it, because then they become friends, right? So it's like, oh, it's just my besties recording me.
Absolutely. Kaui, how has this show changed your life? I know that you've worked in marketing prior to the show, so you already have this kind of like a forward personality. But how has this being with your friends and having this all documented and thrown up on TV for the rest of the world to see and judge, you know how people are, how has this changed you as a person?
I would say it definitely took a toll in the beginning, because it was something I don't think I personally was super mentally prepared for. I mean, of course we know that there's the cancel culture and there's, you know, haters and all of that, but I think what really changed with me was that it really made me put my trust in God, have more faith, and just really rely on having strength from God, because at the end of the day, like, people will say things will happen. You can't control everything, you know, but the only person that really does have control is God. So that's really been a huge thing
putting
in my
things
life.
in his hands.
Yeah, exactly. Trusting his plan.
Let's pass around a Tide bucket right now. Great sermon.
Pastor Davey.
Thank you guys so much for joining us once again.
Thank you
the
guys
show
for
is
having us.
streaming on Peacock. All the episodes are out already.
Yes, all the episodes are out. All on Peacock for you guys to enjoy. So
I love it. Marcus He, Kaui Goodness. Pick your favorite. Right here. This is our favorite. Oahu Shores. Make sure you're looking for it on Peacock. Thank you, family.
Thank you guys so much.
We're going to take a quick break right now. And hey, today is Chinese takeout day. Who loves pandas or any Chinese food, right?
I'm going
I
there.
love Kunia Chinese restaurant.